Good morning, students. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss the non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation. So we are going to discuss non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation. So in today lecture we are going to discuss the case number 4. So in which we have the linear recurrence relation in the form of BR dot phi r, where phi r is a polynomial in R and B is a constant. So for example, we are going to tackle these kind of a problem. Suppose we have AR plus AR minus 1 is equal to 3R dot 2 raised to power R dot 2 raised to power R. So if we have these kind of a non-homogeneous linear recurrence relation, so how we can find out the solution of a problem? So in this we can compare this equation with this equation. So this can be compared with b raised to power r, where b is a constant and where 3r is a polynomial. So 3r is compared with the phi r, so which is a polynomial. So we have here two categories. So how we can approach to the solution to this problem? So first of all, we will try to figure out whether the b here, the b we are written here, whether this b is a root of the characteristic equations or not. So entire solution depend upon this condition. If b is not the root of the characteristic equation, then we will follow this path. If b is the root of the characteristic equation, then we will follow the right hand side. So this is just a layout how we can go to the solutions, or what are the particular solutions when b is not the root of the characteristic equations. So we will start with an example so that we can easily understand what we are going to discuss today. So simultaneously we will also discuss this chart also. So suppose we are trying to solve this problem that we have mentioned earlier, that is AR plus AR minus 1 is equal to 3R dot 2 raised to power R. So the characteristic equation, of the, suppose we are giving it as a number 1. So when we have to calculate the characteristic equation, we have to find out the characteristic equation, like suppose we are using a variable m plus 1 is equal to 0. So here m is equal to minus 1. So what will be the homogeneous solution? So ARH is equal to, so C1 into minus 1 raised to power R. So this will be the homogeneous solution. So next then we will try to find out the particular solution. So let's say we are representing with f of r is equal to 3r dot 2 raised to power r. So we have find out the root here minus 1. It means that minus 1 is not the root of the, it is the minus 1 here, it is the 2 raised to power r. So if we compare with the phi of r is equal to, or just look at the picture that we have shown earlier here. So we are going to discuss this case when b is not the root of the characteristic equation. So here representing d, here d is representing the degree of the polynomial phi of r. So we are going to compare here b raised to power r dot phi r. So here we will write b raised to power r, just wait for 1 minute. b raised to power r dot phi of r. So if we compare, phi of r is equal to 3r and b of r is equal to 2 raised to power r. So we said that in the picture when b is not the root of the characteristic equation. So what is a b here? B is equal to 2. So it means that 2 is not the root of the characteristic equation, because the root of the characteristic equation is minus 1. So what will be the particular solution in this case? and here we will write that 2 is not a root of characteristic equation and r of degree 1. So how we will calculate the degree of r? So if you look at simply phi of r, that is equal to 3r, it means the degree of r is 1. Suppose that phi of r is equal to, let's say, 3r square plus 2r minus 1, and then in this case the degree of r will be 2. So in our case the degree of r is 1. So again we will look at the picture here, so that you will be clearly understand what we are going to discuss. So when b is not the root of the characteristic equation, so here we have two cases. When the degree of the phi of r is 1, then the particular solution will be consist of this. When the degree of the phi of r is 2, then the particular solution will be consist of like this. If we have a degree 3, then it will goes like this. A of r p is equal to b of r, then a0 plus a1r plus a2r square plus a3r cube. So like this. If we have a degree, let's say k, then a0 plus a1r plus a2r square plus a3r cube up to ak r the power k. So in our example, the particular solution will be consist of this. So here we will write our particular solution. So our particular solution will be ARP is equal to 2 raised to power r a0 plus a1r. So this will be the particular solution. So suppose we are giving it as a number 2. So the next step will be same that we have discussed in the previous problem also. So we are going to put the value of this in the equation number 1. So we are going to put this value in equation number 1. So here we will write here 2 raised to power r into a0 plus a1r. We have put this value, here. Then we are going to put this value in a of r minus 1. So simply we will replace r with minus 1. 2 r minus 1 a0 plus a1 r minus 1 is equal to the same what we have here, 3r dot 2 raised to power r. Next we will try to solve this equation. So simply we can get the common 2 raised to power r. So what we get inside, a0 plus a1r plus, when we get the common 2 raised to power r, how we can make it as a 2 raised to power r? By dividing with the 2. So we get here a0 upon 2 plus a1 multiply with r upon 2 minus a1 multiply with minus 1 over 2 is equal to 3r into 2 raised to power r. So 2 raised to power r will get cancelled with this 2 raised to power r, and what we get here, a0 plus a1r plus a0 upon 2 plus a1 r upon 2 minus a1 upon 2 is equal to 3r. So we will combine the terms with r and without r. So here we have 3 by 2 a0 minus a1 upon, what we get here, 2. So plus 3 by 2 a1r is equal to 3. So here we are going to combine the terms with r and without r. So here, so without r the terms are this, and with r the terms are this. Now we are going to compare the left hand side with right hand side. So when we compare this with the left hand side and right hand side, what we will get here, 3 by 2 a0 minus a1 upon 2 is equal to 0, and and in this side we get 3 by 2. A1r is equal to 3r, where r and 3 get cancelled with each other, and a1 is equal to 2. So we are going to put a1 is equal to 2 in this equation. So 3 by 2, a0 is equal to a1 upon 2. So when we replaced a1 with the 2, what we get here, 3 by 2, a0 is equal to 2 by 2. So a0 is equal to 2 by 3. So we get a1 is equal to 2 and a0 is equal to 2 by 3. We are going to put in this equation, in the equation number 2, to get the answer for the particular solution. So AR P is equal to 2 raised to power R, and what is the value of A0 that we have calculated here, 2 by 3. So that is 2 by 3 plus, and the value of A1 is 2 plus 2R. So this is the particular solution. And what will be the combined solution for the non-homogeneous equation? That is AR is equal to ARP plus, so what we will, you can write in any way, AR of H plus AR of P. So what is the homogeneous solution that we have calculated earlier? That is here. This is the homogeneous solutions. So we will put here AR, that is C1 minus 1 raised to power R plus 2R, 2 by 3 plus 2R. So if we have the initial values like A0 or A1, then we will calculate easily the value of the constant C1. Suppose it is not given to us, then we can write in this way. So this is the final solution to the non-homogeneous equation. So we will next consider the next case when, so next case, what will be the next case? Just look at this picture. When B is the root of the characteristic equation, then what would happen? That we are going to discuss now.